Assalamu alaikum dear kids. How are you? I hope you all are fine and safe in your homes. Welcome to the reading corner of the Seeds Montessori and High School. Check what your teachers have made for you. It's a very beautiful reading corner. Come on with me. We will see what we have in this. Okay, now I see some Urdu alphabets. Can you count with me? Alif, Be, Pe, Te, Te. We have English alphabets. Wow! A, B, C, D, E. Wow! The boy and girl are reading a book. I think they are enjoying the stories. Oh, I see a pencil. It is also having fun in our reading corner. Now let's check what do we have next. Oh wow, what pretty shapes and colors. I think I see a red circle. Oh, the red circle is same as the seeds monogram. Wow, how colorful it is. Now I think I see a yellow triangle and I see a blue square. Wow. Oh, I think I see the front of the pencil. It's another pencil having fun in our corner. Now we have some numbers having fun in our corner. Oh, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Wow! This reading corner is so beautiful. I like it. Your teachers have made only this for our little Seedians. Here, I have a small study table. Your Montessori Incharge sits here and make your videos. Now, at the end, we have a message for our little Seedians. Our message is, stay home and stay safe. Allah Hafiz, dear kids. We'll see you soon.